Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be sanding down the car so we can get it ready for some paint and then therefore get ready for some wrap. So we want to sand down the car so we get the surface as smooth as we can, and then that way we can paint it. Probably block sand that a little bit so we can get that smooth as well. And then that way when we put on the wrap, we just have the smoothest surface for the best adhesion, and so it just looks the best. So right now we're going to block sand the whole car, get that all ready, and then as you've seen in previous videos, we've gotten the hood on, we've gotten the bumpers on, we've gotten different things on, but stuff I haven't really been showing was some of the bodywork my dad's been doing, just because it's a really long process and there's just hard to show all that stuff. So he's been adding some Bondo and pulling dents and different things like that on the rear of the car mostly, where the most damage was last year. So let's take a quick look at that and then we'll get into sanding of the car. So right here we have a lot of primer on the car, covering the Bondo so we can sand that down a little bit and see the high spots and low spots on the car. So right here was a lot of damage, so we fixed all that up. Mostly on the rear quarter panels, so get those all fixed. And this one over here. So we've done quite a bit of work behind the scenes as far as pulling dents. So we've also got the hood mounted, which is very exciting. We got the front bumper mounted, which is very nice. And then, yeah, so now let's start sanding this thing down and getting it prepped for some paint.